In this video, I will show you how to program a tire pressure sensor using the Autel TS508. First thing you're going to want to do is turn it on, press and hold the power button. After that, use the arrow keys, navigate to advanced mode. Select the vehicle you'll be programming it to. In this case, it's a Chevy Equinox 2018. Next, you want to go to sensor programming, copy by OBD. Then you're going to go to the vehicle, plug it into the OBD2 port. Then you're going to turn the vehicle to the on position, but don't start it. Then you're going to click on the Y button. Then this screen will show up and show you the codes for each tire pressure sensor. Now you can shut the vehicle off, disconnect it from the vehicle, and then insert one of the Autel MX-1 sensor into the top of the programmer. Then click the Y button again. This screen will pop up saying you need to keep all other sensors 4 feet away and the pressure below 10 psi. It will take about 10 seconds to program, and then it'll test the sensor automatically and this screen will pop up. Then press any key to continue. Now your first sensor is programmed. Take it out and insert a new sensor. Now continue to repeat that process till all your sensors are programmed, but remember to keep your other sensors far enough away. Now I like to date my sensors after I get done programming each one, so I don't forget which ones I've programmed and which ones I haven't. Now all that's left is to install them. If you would like to watch how to install them, you can watch my next video. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions